Hi, welcome to this demo showing how to submit print jobs through the Apogee OneSource Print Portal. Open up your browser, go to the address shown, log in with your pre-provided username and password. On the landing page, you'll see a list of product types. Select the one most relevant to your current requirement. Drag and drop files into the Attach Files dialog box or press the Add Files button and browse to their location. Set the requirements for the print job such as size, color, etc. and the quantity. You're now reviewing your basket. You can go back and add more products or delete or amend items. Once you're happy, you can proceed through to checkout. On the Your Details page, please fill out any details for the delivery and proceed through to checkout. Once you've checked out, you'll receive an email confirmation. Also, you've got the recently ordered dialog on the left-hand navigation pane, which will bring you through to show any open orders. I hope that's been of use.